Today, I am reviewing the Potensic ATOM 2 drone. If at any time you'd like to explore this drone for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for a lightweight yet powerful drone, the Potensic ATOM 2 is an absolute game changer. Packed with professional-grade features and an incredibly compact design, it delivers performance that rivals many high-end drones, all while staying under the 249-gram threshold, meaning no FAA registration is required. Whether you're a content creator, casual hobbyist, or travel vlogger, the ATOM 2 offers a smart, portable, and powerful aerial photography solution. Let's start with the camera system. This drone boasts a half-inch Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 48MP photos and 4K HDR videos at 30 frames per second, all stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This means your footage remains smooth and steady, even in mildly breezy conditions. It also supports 8K photo capture, which is pretty remarkable for a drone in this weight class. From landscape photography to close tracking shots, the image quality is crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. And with an f1.8 aperture and 4:1 pixel technology, low-light performance is impressive, even in twilight or nighttime environments. Speaking of low-light, Potensic's AI stunning night shot mode really sets the ATOM 2 apart. Using onboard artificial intelligence, it enhances image brightness, reduces noise, and sharpens colors, making your night footage just as striking as your daytime shots. And for those who like to get creative, the drone also features QuickShots, Dolly zoom, slow motion, and panoramic modes, giving you a full cinematic toolkit right at your fingertips. One of the standout features of the ATOM 2 is its advanced AI track technology. This isn't your basic follow-me mode. The ATOM 2 uses object locking and imagery recognition to maintain precise focus on your target in spotlight, follow, and parallel tracking modes. Whether you're biking down a trail, walking through a scenic cityscape, or capturing action sports, the drone tracks smoothly and intelligently, freeing you to focus on the activity, not the controls. Control and connectivity are equally impressive. The redesigned remote controller comes equipped with directional antennas and supports PixSync 4.0 technology. That gives you a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers with a 1080p/30 fps live video feed. That's crystal clear FPV feedback at incredible range, and with excellent anti-interference capabilities, your connection remains stable even in more signal-congested areas. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. The ATOM 2 is beginner-friendly without compromising on advanced functionality. You get auto takeoff and landing, smart return to home, precise GNSS positioning, and even a customizable home point feature. There's also cruise control to maintain consistent flight speeds, which is great for cinematic pans and smooth travel shots. It's incredibly stable in the air, even for first-time pilots. Battery life is another area where the ATOM 2 truly shines. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries and a parallel charging hub. Each battery provides up to 32 minutes of flight time, giving you a total of 96 minutes of air time. What's more, the charger supports fast charging, fully powering all 3 batteries in just 1.3 hours. That's ideal for long shooting days, extended travel, or professional work where time and efficiency matter. The drone also supports 2.7K vertical shooting, making it ideal for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. With a 4x digital zoom, you can punch in closer without physically moving the drone, perfect for capturing detailed shots safely from a distance. And finally, the ATOM 2 is truly ready for life on the go. It comes with a stylish shoulder bag, extra propellers, screws, screwdriver, charging cables, and even adapter cables for both USB-C and Lightning devices, everything you need to stay prepared in the field. To sum it up, the Potensic ATOM 2 is a feature-rich, travel-friendly drone that punches well above its weight. With top-tier camera capabilities, AI-powered flight features, long-range connectivity, and nearly 1.5 hours of total flight time, it's a smart buy for anyone who wants professional drone performance without breaking the bank or their back. Whether you're a creative professional or a weekend adventurer, the ATOM 2 is ready to elevate your aerial game.